Hi.
Alright. Hi, you guys. We're going to do something a little bit different today. First, I wanted to say I'm Corey, and you're watching Couch Girls Adventures. This is our daughter, Kira. Yay. So, you're going to get to see her in a couple little videos. I'm squeezing her in while she's visiting us for the Christmas break.
Time with me.
Yeah, exactly. But this is Chad. Ah! Anyway, and there's Daisy, and Frankie's behind Chad. Okay, so today's going to be a flaming hot Cheeto challenge. Woo! With lime. All right. So the thing is, what we're gonna do is we're all gonna get a little bowl. And we're going to all eat one, like what, at the same time? Sure. We're going to have milk in front of us, and we're all going to eat one, and eat one, and eat one, and eat one, until we can't eat one anymore. And whoever drinks the milk the first, or stops eating them the longest, loses. So anyway, you going for it? Sure. You ready? Daisy, you want some?
She'll eat anything.
See? She wants some. She'll eat anything. You want some? You ready?
Well,
alright, you guys.
Oh,
hi, baby girl. Alright, well, let us get set up and we'll be back, you guys. With lime. Challenge. Cheeto challenge. Let's go. Alright, we'll be back in a little bit. Catch you later. Alright, you guys. You ready?
Yes.
Ready? On your marks?
Just eat one at the same time and keep doing that?
I guess. What do you think?
We see what number everyone dropped in. Sure.
Okay.
Okay.
That's what we're gonna do. Pick one.
One.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers. One.
They're gonna lose. I eat these for fun.
Two.
Two. Nothing yet. I don't feel a thing yet.
Three.
Three. No. She wants them all the time. She'll eat anything. Frank's being good back there. Four.
Yes.
Chad wiggling.
So.
I guess it's smart to get the little ones.
Yeah, I'm planning
Probably.
out my actions.
Anything yet? Oh! Well, skinny. Four. Oh, and that's five.
Yeah, five.
We already lost count. This is five. Seven.
Yes.
Seven! Ah! Milk is still there.
Eight.
Eight.
I ate one.
This would be one.
Nine.
I haven't had Cheetos all year.
Makes for one of us.
Any spice yet, anybody?
Yeah.
A little bit.
10.
Yeah.
10.
Yeah. 2021!
21.
Fingers
My
Sit
tongue
here.
hurts.
Editor, put a spice hot thing.
I just ate one.
45. You getting hotter?
Yeah.
Editor, put another hot thing up there. Are you hotter? Editor, another hot thing up there. I feel about the same, to be honest. Where am I at?
45, I think.
No.
This is 46. 46. 50! Woo! 50, 50, 50! 50, 50, 50!
Yum.
Another hot one. Another hot one. Another hot one. 75. 98. 99. 100. some room, fool. Alright. Alright, you guys. Well, anyway, nobody was able to, like, bail out on that one. We all were doing really good. Made it up to 100 Cheetos and all that good stuff. They were getting a little bit spicy, yeah. They were starting to get spicy. Starting to get spicy?
Yeah.
Yeah. Well, since nobody really technically bailed out, we're going to amp up the challenge. We are going to do extra flamin' hot. They're twice as hot, extra flamin' hot Cheetos. Oh no. Oh no, 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 no. Yep. We're gonna try it. Alright, you guys, we're gonna get set up here. We're each gonna get some poured in the bowl, and we'll be right back. Twice as hot. Twice. Woo. Come on, Chad, hurry up. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Let's get going. Okay, wait. Okay, real quick. What do you guys want to do? Like we did before? Alright, you guys. Ready?
Yes.
We're just gonna go at our own pace this time and see who can last the longest.
Okay.
First one together. Cheers. Oh, I picked a big one. Big one. Okay. Nothing yet. They're gonna lose. Mama's gonna win. Are you done yet? No. Are you done yet?
You'll need a lot of powder on it.
Whoa. Whoa. That one looks spicy. It's getting spicy. Getting spicy. Mentally disengaging what's going on. Because it's getting spicy. Not gonna lie. They're pretty red. Need milk yet?
No.
Come on. You need milk yet? Need milk yet?
No.
You need milk yet?
Almost.
Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Uh-oh.
About 15.
Navy midshipman here. Gonna start bailing out. Uh-oh. Come on, girl, you can do it. Woo! Yeah, that one's nothing. Oh, that one got ripped off, man.
Alright.
Get in there. These are hotter. Whoa. Get that one. Whoa. That sucker has some stuff on it. You done yet?
No.
How about now?
No.
You getting there, kiddo?
Yeah.
This one's extra. It is extra spicy.
It is extra spicy. Woo! It's good now. Uh-oh. Woo! You need more?
No.
Go get the bag. Getting spicy. What? Spice is hot. Yep.
Yeah. I'm okay.
You're done?
Yeah.
Hey!
Oh, man. Let's see if I can eat hers.
I had like 30 or something.
Franks.
Side to my tongue hurts.
Come on. Come on, you know. Getting hot, guys. I can do it. Come on now. I can do it. You're dying over there. I can outlast you. I know I can. I eat spicier food than this. Not really.
I do not.
This is getting spicy. Come on, boy.
That's still hot.
Yeah.
Then,
She's done.
I'm very done.
Okay. Goodbye.
I need to wash my tongue.
Come on. Can you do it? No, get away. Come on now.
no.
Are you done yet? Are you done yet?
I want to be done.
You're not gonna be because I'm still going, huh? No, 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 no. You done yet?
Mm-mm.
Well. I'm gonna need more. Need more? You're bailing out?
He already touched his lips.
Uh-huh.
He's done. Mommy wins.
Woo! Oh. All right.
We're done.
At least I was second place.
Bigger sister.
Yeah, who doesn't like spicy food?
No, not really.
But wait, second is the best.
No, second's the first loser.
Mm.
Just kidding.
There's a turd.
Yeah.
Anyway, you guys, I can still keep going. These two lose. Lose. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for enduring in this Cheeto challenge that turned into the twice as spicy Flamin' Hot Cheeto challenge. Because the other one just, oh no, we were good with it. No one really bailed out on that one. So anyway, until next time, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this. Thank you so much for watching. Yeah, you're first. Oh, no. Nope. See, you're still second to finish your milk. Second place. Anyway, bye, you guys. Until next time. Thank you. Hey. Friends.